So in this lecture we will talk about drop test using the velocity impact. So as previously I said, so let's open up the drop test file here. So it's been opened now. Here you can see. So let's go to drop test of hopping mark. So here if we click on show here, you can see that the normal drop test from a certain height has been analyzed here. Let's go to response and click show here. Here the response time has been shown. So now we will create a new study to run this drop test, and we will run the study according to velocity. So let's get click on new study. Okay, so now let's go to drop test right here, and we will name it velocity, and let's click OK. Okay, so the new study has been created for the drop test. So the next option will be applying material. So we will go to an apply material, and we will apply material from this here right here, custom materials. We will go down here, we will go to on plastic, and we will click on custom plastic, and we will click apply, then close this tab here. So the material has been applied. So the next option will be creating the mesh. Let's create the mesh here. Let's create finer mesh, and let's click OK. So here you can see the mesh has been created. So now the next option will be, let's go to setup here and click on define and edit. Here you can see the specify has two sub option, which one is drop test, and the next one is velocity at impact. So we will we have seen the drop height in the previous lecture. We will see velocity at impact in this lecture. So let's click on velocity at impact here. So here it is showing the velocity magnitude. We will just select it, and we will give it 100 meter per second, and we will select a velocity impact here. So it is actually on which plane or on which surface you want to apply the velocity. You want to drop this material. It is about selecting that. So we will select on top plane, and we will reverse the direction. It will drop from upward to downward. Then we will the next option is gravity. So the falling will occur only for gravity. So we will select here, and we will click on top plane, and we will reverse this direction here also. Let's just clear this selection, and we will select only this right here, and we will click OK. Oh, sorry, my mistake. Here we will need to select a face or edge. So we will select this edge right here. We will select this edge, which will the impact of velocity will happen to this edge right here, and then we need to select the plane right here in this, and we will select top plane. The gravity will act on top plane, and the velocity impact will happen in this surface right here. Now we will keep this as it is. Let's click OK. Okay, so the setup has been completed. Now let's right click here. Now let's run this study. So we will run this study right here. So it will take some time. So let's wait. So the analysis has been completed. So you can see the model has been deformed for the velocity analysis. So if we zoom on it, you can see the distribution of von Mises stress here. So if we just right click on it and if we click on animate, so let's give Solidworks some time to prepare the animation. It is creating the frame now. So here you can see the change in the stresses and change in the number of forces. So here you can see how it's being pressed against the ground due to the velocity. If we lower the frame rate, you can see it slowly. So let's just increase the frame rate here. Then it will occur more frequently and more smoothly. We can see it that when it is impacting the ground, the mug is been pressed down and then it is taken to its previous condition. So let's just pause it here, and you can see if we move forward to the next frame, let's just click OK here first and let's move forward. Here you can see the 24th frame where the maximum amount of stress is applying on these edges right here. If we right click on it and show the displacement right here, we will see the maximum amount of displacement is occurring here, and the last step, plot step. So this is the velocity impact result, and I hope this is clear to you guys. So this is all about the basic steps of structural analysis and different type of structural analysis. So this is just basic. So in next steps we will learn about how to run structural analysis on assembly. We will learn about let's just create a new study here. Let's just go to let's create a new study, and let's go to static here and let's click OK. If we create a new static analysis and we go to connection advisor, here you can see contact set, component contact, contact visualization. I have talked about this before, that these are advanced level of structural analysis, and if these so far these topics are clear to you, I hope in our next classes we will talk about more about advanced level of structural analysis, like in assemblies, or we will talk about sensor, applying sensor and then running drop test, and there is a vast to learn yet. So this is the end of the basic and primary structural analysis. I hope this was good for you, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you.